Hey guys, if you guys watch my other videos, right for y'all, which I do care what you guys say. None of you guys really, watch it. And if you guys did, hooray! But I only got 4 views on it, so sad. But as you guys can see, it's raining. Known as pouring. Oh God, I feel like I'm gonna bath now. Okay, time to go. Okay, time to face up. Peace out. Just gotta make this as my little thing. So as you guys can see, it's raining. I'm gonna go walking around like this. Hey! Sorry about that. I just don't do well on this. Right about here. As you guys can see, there's that. There's the little river I used to play in. Yeah. Let's go check down here. And my dad comes back. Behind that tree right there, it usually is flooded. Right now my camera is getting soaking wet. As you guys can see over here, the stream is not running unless it is raining. And here's the creek as well. And over there you guys can see raindrops. Not that much, but yeah. Here's more of my pistachio raining. See? That's why I can't see that. Here's more, but my favorite pajamas are getting wet. I forgot to get ready to run up here. Woo! Gotta get back in. Guys, that's the end. Bye! Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!